It's time for an all-new Omaha Extra, hosted by Carrie Worth.
Welcome back to Omaha Extra. My name's Carrie Worth, and today I'm visiting Dr. Brandon Menke. He's an ophthalmologist with Ilumin. Thank you so much for having us in today.
You're welcome.
So we're learning about a topic that a lot of us are going to have to deal with at some point in our lives, and that's cataracts. So it's something that we're seeing in prevalence, right? Or that's what you're seeing your patients for a lot of the time.
Yeah, so cataract surgery is one of the most common surgeries done in the U.S., certainly by far one of the safest. And I would say that the vast majority of my patients come in are in their 50s, some in their 60s, and they start to notice that their vision becomes blurry, hazy, cloudy. They're unable to see or do things that they used to. And so what happens is that we talk about the surgery, what the problem is, and so then we talk about the options of how to remove that and get them seeing better.
Right, okay. So it used to be that cataract surgery was done in maybe 2 visits. There's the length of time between that. There's a lot of kind of anxiety maybe that builds up, but you're able to do that in 1 surgery now.
Correct, yeah. So one of the biggest changes personally for me and in my practice is that now we're able to do both eyes the same day. And so it used to be, years ago that we would do one eye and then a few weeks to a month later we would do the second eye. And so patients in between that time can have a significantly higher fall risk. And so one study that we looked at showed that the fall risk after the second eye was cut in half. So patients are able to be safer, the outcomes are a lot better. They're able to be home very quickly and efficiently, minimizes their post-op visits, and again, it is safer to do it that way.
Okay. Well, if you'd like to learn more, there's a lot of information at the website, so you can check them out at ilumineyes.com. We'll see you next time on Omaha Extra.
This Omaha Extra segment has been paid for by Ilumin Eye Care Center, a Modern Vision Omaha partner practice.